Let's make carrot illustration. First, create 4 layers. First, color. Second, highlight. Third, detail. Fourth, outline. Select Ellipse tool. Click anywhere on the canvas. For manually type ellipse to be 285 x 445. To make this shape more look like a carrot, we need to select the anchor point, Shift+C. Now click on the anchor at the very bottom. To make this corner a bit more rounded, select Direct Selection tool. Again, select Direct Selection tool and hold and press Shift. I selected these 2 anchor points and start pulling them up. Now we will create a leaves. Select Ellipse tool, create freehand leaves. Using Rotate tool, we will duplicate the leaves. Select all strokes objects. Using Shape Builder tool, Shift-M, and hold Alt to cut unnecessary part. Select all strokes and make them group, Ctrl-G. Let's add some detail using Pen tool. Using Pen tool, create strokes and leaves. Select all strokes using Uniform, we will change the stroke shape. Let's add some more detail using Pen tool. Lock the detail layer and copy outline layer. Click Edit, select Copy, and Paste in front. Move outline copy layer into color layer. And hide detail layer. Let's add some color. Unlock the highlight layer. And now let's add some highlights in Carrot. Boom, we made it.